Hi, welcome back on the Better Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your information to Samsung account in your Galaxy M15. So to do this operation, slide up, go to settings here and search for the option like accounts and backup here. And here you can back up your data on Samsung Cloud, and you can choose the information which you want to back up on your Samsung cloud. Yep. You can auto backup while roaming. So every of this information will be backed up into your cloud. When you have do that, you click on the backup and all will be back up into your cloud. So that's it for now. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!